What's up, everybody? This week we're in Chengdu, China. We're here to eat great food, drink shit beer, and have a fucking good time. Let's go. So from Sichuan province. Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so what have we got? We got sweetwater noodles, which I think is that guy.
That's the rabbit.
That's the rabbit.
It's got the meat, and that's the other one you ordered.
The oil wontons. Sick. Get into it.
Slippery and chewy. This is going to be the advanced course for chopsticks.
Yeah, just be safe. On a white shirt.
Be safe.
On that white shirt. The sweetwater noodles were thick and chewy in an unctuous, slightly sweet mala sauce. The rabbit noodles were meaty and comforting. And the oil wontons were porky goodness wrapped in a delicate pastry with a spicy oil. Breakfast of champions. Alright, fucking bit of a win.
Do you want a lamb or what's
Hey, lamb. This is gyro kui. I got kind of obsessed with these and must have eaten about 10 of them over the course of my trip.
Do you want one of each?
Yeah, why not?
Just pointed the word.
Yeah. Cool.
I would just get one to share. Quite a lot already. They're ubiquitous throughout the Sichuan province, and they're the perfect breakfast alternative to a pie for a Kiwi boy abroad. They're basically flaky pastry that's stuffed with spiced meats. This one has either beef, lamb, or pork. I can't remember because I ate so many of them. Why does it smell delicious in here? Dufu's Thatched Cottage. This is a 24-acre park and museum in honor of the Tang Dynasty poet Dufu at the western outskirts of Chengdu, adjacent to the Flower Rinsing Creek.
Like till the screens too.
That is amazing. More coffee?
Scenic.
It's very nice.
Pretty.
Very nice.
Brings wealth
Even
into your
you
home.
mistaken for an Australian.
Because it's round, it's shaped like a coin. That's
There we go.
So that's auspicious.
It's all about the money.
it is.
Pretty mean. It's a hell of a cottage.
Beautiful.
Really is. In 759, the poet Dufu moved to Chengdu and built a thatched hut near the Flower Rinsing Creek and lived there for 4 years. The thatched hut period was a peak of Du's creativity, during which he wrote 240 poems. It is now a popular destination for Du enthusiasts around the world to pay tribute to the poet. It's also a pretty as fuck garden. Sadly, the original thatched hut built by Du was destroyed. Key buildings in the surrounding park were constructed in the early 16th century during the Ming Dynasty and extensively renovated in 1811. A reconstruction of Du's thatched cottage was partitioned into a study, a bedroom, and a kitchen, recreating the living and working environment of Du's time. When Du's thatched cottage was destroyed by the autumn wind, he could not help thinking of the homeless people of his land. He prayed to God that he could give up his thatched cottage, and even his life, if he could offer the homeless warmth and peace. That is the spirit of Dufu's poems and the thatched cottage. Moved by the spirit, people have rebuilt the thatched cottage generation after generation, turning it into a monument to the spirit of Dufu and the sacred land of Chinese literature. Some riot gear. Jinli Ancient Street, a 550-metre long pedestrian street known for its Qing Dynasty-style architecture, rich Sichuan culture, and vibrant street food. Apparently there's a tip-top ice cream store down here.
Really?
Yeah. Known as the first street of the Shu Kingdom, its history spans over 1800 years. It is designed to showcase the culture of the Three Kingdoms period and Western Sichuan folk customs. It is ranked amongst the world's most beautiful streets, and I have to say, it's pretty goddamn beautiful.
Sorry. You didn't taste this.
The black bean one's good.
要哪个呀？
Fucking awesome.
3瓶都要一样的吗？
This other one's kind of like crispy chili, but like better.
这个是牛肉酱。
I'll see if I can try that one.
好的。这个是炒回锅肉烧排骨，这个主要是炒菜烧菜用的比较多，这个。
That's amazing. So we're in the middle of Chengdu, Sichuan province in China, and there's a fucking tip top store. Let's go get a jelly tip. Your man loved a rum raisin. Yeah. Don't know how to feel about green tea tip top though. That's it. New Zealand's finest in China. I don't know what it is, but it's fucking delicious.
Oh,
What is
it's
it?
like apple or something.
Yeah. It's really good.
Oh yeah, it's got little pieces of apple in it too.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I didn't know I wanted that, and now I'm so stoked. Fuck yeah. Make it good. I want to see this fucking heart attack.
Oh, it's very good.
Is it awesome?
Oh my god. It's like glass.
That's fucking amazing. Oh. Fuck. It smells so good. That turns into that, which I would love to bring home, but I think I will get stopped at the border.
Yeah.
It's a weird snack edition. Crab roe broad beans.
That just tastes like every other weird snack.
That is not bad. Neither here nor there.
Yeah. That was in the tofu section, but I think it's mushroom.
Alright,
So
give it a black.
could be a spicy, some sort of spicy mushroom situation. I'm actually hopeful about this.
One of my favourite things about travelling is fucking weird snacks.
That's quite, but they're very compacted.
Yeah. They're like mushroom jerky.
Okay. Mushroom? Could be tofu.
I think it's tofu.
Here you go. Oh, it tastes like barbecue. That's fucking
That's not
mean.
shit. That's better than the other one.
Chicken layers, but they're
Chicken
like the
layers.
crimpy ones.
Chicken crimpy lays?
I don't know.
Are they amazing? I've never had a lay that's let me down.
Oh, it's like that Thai street food barbecue chicken because it's got that real smell. Smell it. You know what I mean?
Still never had a bad lay.
Tangy chicken.
It's pretty fucking good.
That real tangy kind of herbaceous like.
You look far more credible with your glasses on and tasting things. And you got some of this fucking crazy pork jerky shit. Oh, that was a workout.
It's chewy as.
Wow. It's not shit though.
No.
It's yum. We need some chili oil. For dinner that night, we found ourselves this banging little skewers restaurant in a local area. We were the only white people for fucking miles. Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm eating. The skin thing?
Yeah, there's chicken
Chicken
skin, I
skins,
think.
yeah.
And then I don't know what this tendon thing is, but
Is that the
it's
duck tongue?
Oh, it could be duck tongue. Yeah, true. Oh,
Good. Everybody looked at us like we were freaks, and we had the best fucking time. Right. Let's go then. Oh yeah. What the fuck was that?
Juicy.
I'm torn because it's delicious, but I'll never know what it is. So this is like the glutinous rice skewer.
Yeah, it is.
Shit.
But it is not. It is amazing.
It's so good.
Fucking sensational. So this is the pork chop. Focus. There we go. That pork chop. Put it inside you.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
Is it good? Fucking A.
That is. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Hell yeah.
Jenny, you filthy animal.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. You choose your own journey.
I would say this place has been a fucking win. Well done. Finally found a good local beer as well. This, I don't know what the fuck this is. Snow Beer Craft Beer is the shit. Cheers, cunts.
We're winning.
What's the word?
Come back.
Gumbe. Absolute fucking carnage. So very good though. This motherfucker's coming to direct.